Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out and put the batteries into HOVERAir X1. It may be quite tricky, but in fact it's pretty simple if you know how to do it. So here are two batteries I have. I'm gonna take them out of the charger, just like that, one of them, and then you can put it in. So here are the pins. They need to be aligned with these pins right here. First put this side in, then you can push the other side, and it is a quite you can see tight fit, so it's not too easy to put it in, and it's even harder to take it out, but it makes sense because it shouldn't fall out. So in order to take it out, I would suggest folding these sides. Then you can see it's really hard. So what I suggest you doing is pull this side a bit. Then you should be able to do that, but it's still not as easy. But now you can see I've done it, but it's really hard to do it. But I guess you'll get better in it after doing it a few times. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.